Today I'm going to show you how to create an employer account on Glassdoor. Alright, so over here you'll see we're in Glassdoor. Here we are not really able to post a job, okay? So even if you go to jobs over here, you can search for jobs, but you can't really post a job because you need like a company account or an employer account. So go ahead and Google Glassdoor employer account. The very first one should be Glassdoor for employers. Go ahead, click on this, and here you're going to click on sign up. You can now do this all for free, and you need to go ahead. First of all, you need to provide a work email to create your employer account. So you'll need to just sign out of your current account because you can't be signed into your employee and employer account at the same time. You're going to enter in your work email address here. So I'm going to just use this one. And once you're done, you are now just going to go ahead and click on continue. Here, you will be able to now go ahead and create an employer account, and you'll be able to then also post jobs and hire directly on Glassdoor.